Swapping tires on your mini bike or ATV? Here's how I do it. No fancy tools, no stress, just a little patience. To remove the rear wheel, start by unhooking the brake cable from the lever. It should slide right out once that nut comes off. Next, pull the mounting bolt out of the brake arm to free it up. Then loosen the axle nut and slide the axle through the hole. Watch for spacers and washers, as you'll want to put them back in the exact same order. If your brakes are as dirty as mine, I'd recommend some brake cleaner. Start by removing the air. Doesn't matter how, a valve stem tool, an air chuck, flathead, anything. Now to break the bead. I didn't use a tool for this, just put my foot close to the rim and used my weight. The trick is finding that tiny gap and letting pressure do the work. You could always use a 2x4 and a little creativity too, just don't ruin the rim. At this point, you want to flip over the tire and break the bead on the other side. There's definitely better ways to get the tire off, like using multiple pry bars to slowly inch the tire off. I went with the yank and pray method. Unless you've got some buddies around, I wouldn't recommend this. Keep in mind there's a shallow side to the rims. Find it and unmount them on that side. When it comes to remounting the tires, I think having the proper tools is definitely worth it. As shown, I'm trying to use normal pry bars and it's not working for me. Something you need to keep in mind is the tires spin in a certain direction. Just like dismounting the tire, remount the tire from the shallow side as well. I used this 24-inch $8 tire iron from Harbor Freight. Seriously, $8 now, or $20 a tire every time you take it to a shop. Be patient, don't force it. A little soap or tire lube makes a huge difference here. I'll show you how I put mine on here. Now for the fun part, setting the bead. I hit it with some brake cleaner and a lighter. On the first tire, it popped, sealed, and I was able to air up after retrying a few times. Second tire caught on. Just a clean seal and straight to air. Well, easy as that. Tire swap, saved some cash, and learned something in the process. Like and subscribe if you're into builds, ride outs, and budget garage wins. I've definitely got more coming.